Opposites are words that mean different things. Big, big elephant. Little, little bugs. Big, big giraffe. Little, little mouse. Big and little. Hot, hot sun. Cold, cold winter snow. Hot, cold, hot and cold. Fast, slow, fast, slow, fast and slow. Day, night, day, night, day and night. Stop, go, stop, S-T-O-P, stop. Go, G-O, go. Stop and go. Open, close, open, close. The road is closed. Open and close. Synonyms are words that mean the same or very similar things. Large and big. Speak and talk. Fast and quick. Gift and present. Smile and grin. Afraid and scared. Hard and difficult. Easy and simple. Some words are spelled the same but mean different things. Bat, fly, park, palm, nail, spring, duck, letter, tie, sink, watch, bark. Some words sound the same but are spelled different. Buy and buy. Flower, flower. Here, here. Not, not. No, no. Peace, peace. Sail, sail. Sun, sun. Stare, stare. Week, week. See, see. Night, night. Right, right. Pear, pear. Hi, hi.